Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the wsdcam 113 decibels bike alarm wireless. This is a wireless bike alarm that is designed to deter theft. It has a loud 113 decibels alarm that can be activated by vibration, motion, or remote control. The alarm can also be used to find your bike in a crowded area by emitting a series of chirps. I've been using this alarm for about a month now, and I've been really impressed with it. It's easy to install and use, and the alarm is really loud. I've tested it out a few times, and it's definitely been enough to deter any thieves. In this video, I'm going to give you a more in-depth look at the alarm. I'll show you how to install it, how to use it, and how to test it. I'll also give you my thoughts on the alarm, and whether or not I think it's a good value for the price. So, if you're looking for a way to deter theft and protect your bike, then be sure to watch this video. Let's get started. Here are some of the key points that you can mention in your intro. The product name: wsdcam 113 decibels bike alarm wireless. The product features: loud 113 decibels alarm, vibration sensor, motion sensor, remote control, find my bike mode. How easy the product is to install and use. Your personal experience with the product. How long have you been using it? What have you liked about it? What haven't you liked about it? Whether or not you think the product is a good value for the price. You can also end your intro with a call to action, such as asking viewers to subscribe to your channel or leave a comment below. Here are some additional things you can mention in your intro. The pros and cons of the alarm, how the alarm compares to other bike alarms on the market, where to buy the alarm, any special offers or discounts that are available.